What's going on, everybody? If you're watching this video, you're one of the aspiring designers and creative minds eager to break into the world of web design and development. And in this video, I'll break down exactly what to expect during our low-fidelity wireframing in Figma event. This is a live virtual event hosted on our Discord server tailored to help you master the fundamentals of wireframing and user experience design. So what can you expect when you join us? First things first. Before creating our wireframe, we need to better understand our target audience by crafting a user persona. We begin by putting ourselves in the shoes of our users and learn how to create a detailed user persona. We'll define the demographics, interests, lifestyles, values, and attitudes that influence their decisions and begin to think about their purchasing behaviors, how they interact with brands, and their loyalty levels. By the end of this section, you'll have a clear picture of who you're designing for, ensuring your product resonates with your audience. After creating the user persona, we'll enhance our design efficiency and user-centric approach by creating task flows to increase clarity and focus by breaking down user tasks into manageable steps. We'll aim to boost efficiency by streamlining processes, making user interactions seamless. Our task flow will allow us to enhance collaboration when working with a team through a clear roadmap, and will identify problems early so we could spot potential issues before they become bigger problems. During the task flow creation, I'll walk you through defining the task, clearly outlining what the user aims to achieve, listing and breaking down the task into actionable steps, mapping out the flow in Figma, visualizing the user's journey using Figma's intuitive tools, and reviewing and iterating, refining the task flow based on feedback and testing. Next, we'll construct comprehensive user flows, building on task flows and expanding our perspective to gain a holistic understanding that allows us to see the bigger picture of how users navigate the product. This will improve navigation by designing intuitive pathways that guide users effortlessly, identifying bottlenecks to spot areas where users might get stuck so we could find solutions early on, and enhancing collaboration by fostering better communication if you're working on a team, leading to an efficient design process to streamline your workflow from concept to creation. Finally, we'll bring our ideas to life with low-fidelity wireframes. We'll dive into designing lo-fi wireframes, clarifying ideas using visual brainstorming to validate concepts quickly and facilitate communication, improving team alignment and the ability to gather valuable feedback. We'll create an efficient design process, embracing rapid iteration for cost-effective development, and execute our user-centric focus to prioritize functionality over aesthetics to enhance usability. During the wireframe design stage, you'll learn how to focus on core functionalities, use Figma's tools to sketch out layouts, iterate designs based on user testing and feedback, and identify and address pain points early in the design process. At the end of the event, we'll host an interactive Q&A session. This is where members can ask questions to gain clarity on any concepts or challenges you face and receive personalized guidance for maximum benefit from the expertise of the instructor. It's also an opportunity to engage with the community, connect with fellow designers, and share insights. We're thrilled to offer this workshop free for all members to watch and listen. You can follow along, take notes, and even start building your own project. However, to make the most out of this interactive experience, consider becoming a premium member through our Patreon. As a premium member, you'll unlock exclusive benefits including interacting with participants, engaging in real time with other attendees, and actively participating in discussions during the workshop. Premium members' mics are unmuted, so they're free to ask questions live and get immediate answers and insights from our instructor, receiving personalized guidance and benefit from one-on-one support to enhance your learning. By upgrading, you not only invest in your personal growth, but also support us in creating more valuable content for the community. That being said, non-premium members can still watch, follow along, and build a project of their own, and there are separate channels for non-premium members to get involved in the community. We're excited for you to join us for this immersive workshop and take a significant step towards mastering low-fidelity wireframing in Figma. Click the links to join our Discord server and secure your spot, and visit our Patreon page to become a premium member and unlock full access to interactive features. Links are in the description below. Remember, Design is not just about making things look good, it's about making things work. This workshop is an opportunity to enhance your skills, connect with like minded individuals, and bring your creative visions to life. Don't miss out on this chance to grow and learn. We can't wait to see you. Like this video if you're excited, subscribe for more content, and share it with anyone who might be interested. Thank you for watching, and let's design something amazing together.